Let off the gas and turn and just induce these like big slidey rotations.
Yeah, wow, look at that.
And then just correct with counter steer gas. And a little finesse, the throttle took me a while just because the torque's so instant to not be jerky with it. And that's just totally seat time thing. But it's, and like being able to drive around here now. Oh, as I said that, I'm understeering. Not too bad.
I am sliding all over the seat back here.
A little wobbly on my part. Smooth out the steering. But you can really just, back it in. And then around here, it's just like a bit of feathering the throttle. And you can have these like perpetual forever drifts.
So if you're not still flying the drone, I don't know if you're able to get a shot from down there.
Oh, they're going to need a little bit of braking power.
Around the circle with your camera or not.
Okay, I can do that.
The seatbelt is joking me.
Yeah, I know. Understeer on the egg. I feel like that's where that that mapping might make a difference in the tight one. But the quicker stuff, you really don't. I mean, understeer is not a problem in this one. Even coming down there on the brakes.
Yeah, look at that.
Yep. That little bit of camber.
Wild. Yeah.
It transitions for the weight of it. I wasn't sure from one direction to the next. It transitions beautiful.
I don't think this is going to show in the video that we're constantly turning because it just feels like we're going straight.
Yeah.
And I don't think we've gone straight for more than 1 second at a time here.
A little bit of brake coming in just so we don't overcook it into this one. And then it's just timing the weight shift back and forth. I think that the lift kit actually does a really nice job. A little late.
Helping.
Because it's kind of softer. Yeah. It's a little taller and softer. This one, I'm going to try like a little harder brake here. No. Yeah, I think
Still just
up
doesn't
that
have
front
enough rear.
Yep.
Yeah,
it's like you want to
rotate
handbrake.
it.
Yeah, if you had a rally car with a handbrake thing, it'd be fine right there. Scrub a little. A little tidier, but I don't think. See, I try and drive it straighter, and then I feel the understeer. Where if I just chuck it in and back and forth, you sort of avoid understeer by making massive oversteers, but that's okay. Cool. Yeah, I mean.
I think I have a bruise on my neck.
How are you doing back there?
I'm good. I've got the thing on recorded, man. Thanks, Wyatt.
Yeah, not a problem at all.
All right, Baer, how you feeling about this?
Yeah. 8%.
This was fun. Thanks, guys.
We're there.